Catch a broke bitch throwing that shade, put the fire in her face. Now I caught a bitch sunny. Nah, these hoes ain't getting no money. My bitches come through.
Hey y'all, on today's video I will be doing a hair review on a brand named Yolova. I ordered a highlight straight 13x4 lace front wig and it is 100% human hair. I forgot to mention that I don't know if this brand is 100% a black owned business, but I know that they are eager to provide professional wigs and hair for black women, and I definitely mess with that because at the end of the day, we all know that our hair is not easy to take care of. Well, mine's ain't, and I'm gonna be honest with that. So I support anybody or any brand that is out here trying to make it easy for us and basically trying to see us win. So y'all should definitely go take a look up at their website. Obviously, I definitely do like this wig. It comes with 4 clips, and it comes with 2 straps, and I definitely like that because of the simple fact that it can size to my fitting, okay? And if a wig can size to my fitting without having to glue the back and all that, I definitely do mess with that because at the end of the day, that's something that's very helpful for me. The straps is definitely your best friend, so take a key advice from me, okay? I would like to show you guys what came into the box itself. It came in this pretty shiny box. I really like the box. Like the box, when I opened up the package, I was like, oh my god. I'm like, look how cute that is. Like, what? So, okay. Say, like it says, Born for Beauty. A lasting, natural looking solution. Yolova. And then they got their logo on this also. Wig came in this pretty bag. And inside the bag was 2 wig caps, some tweezers, because they definitely knew you was going to have to pluck that wig, so they came through. We got some eyelashes. I don't really like the eyelashes to be, real with y'all. I don't really like them, but at least they, provided you guys with eyelashes. So anyways, to start this video off, I would like to talk about the wig itself, the quality of the wig. It is definitely not stiff, as you see, and it is very, very, very much so soft. And the volume, look at that. This wig got a lot of volume, y'all. Like, this wig is cute. Like, hold on. I just want to show y'all up close also. So definitely 100% human hair. I could definitely feel it. You feel me? It's very long, and when it comes to the length, it is definitely true to the length, but by me being shorter, I feel like it's going to be a little bit longer. I ordered a straight hair 13x14 lace front human hair wig, and it is definitely 26 inches, and it has a 180% density, and it is 100% virgin human hair. It really looks like that it is really not so much shedding, so I really actually do like that because when I put my fingers through here, there's literally nothing that is coming out. So, and I can literally show you guys. Hold on. Nothing. You see? Nothing. So I'm not lying to y'all, okay? I'm definitely not lying. I don't like lying reviews, so I wouldn't lie to y'all. I'm going to be honest, okay? When it comes to the lace, I just want you guys to take a look at it. I just want you guys to take a quick look at the lace itself. I would definitely bleach the knots or customize the wig to my liking if I were you. So when it comes to the edges, let me just show you guys. You will need to pluck them in general because that's just, what you will have to do. You don't want this to look like a real wig. You want it to look like this is your hair, To me, still looks like the quality of the wig is still good, knowing that it has some coloring in the wig itself. When I first had received the wig, it was a bit of a smell. So like I said, I had washed it, and it definitely washed very well, and it definitely dried very well. And the smell was definitely gone. So I recommend washing it if you don't want to smell to it. But if you okay, if you want that new hair smell, do what you got to do, Don't wash it or wash it. Whatever you want to do whatever you want. When it came to the shipping and delivery, it took like 2 to 3 weeks for this wig to come. I don't know if that's long for some of you guys, but to me, that's kind of long. So now I'm going to install the wig and show you guys the results. And definitely, this is honestly like my 4th, 5th time installing a wig. So I'm not a pro at it, and obviously if you not a pro like me, you could definitely do this stuff all on your own. You don't need to really worry about going to a stylist. If you want the wig to look perfect, if you like got a event plan for it, and if you don't know how to do something, then okay, cool, go to a stylist. But I highly recommend trying something yourself. It's very beginner friendly, and I'll show you guys all the products that I use for this wig to be installed, okay?
With the first product, I will be using a Got To Be Glue Free Spray. And on the second product, I'll be using a Got To Be Glue Styling Gel. Lastly, all you need is a lace glue called Tru Bond, or whatever lace glue that you would prefer. Highly, I prefer them, and you can get this from your local beauty supply store. Also, you will need a blow dryer and some flat irons.
I normally do this installing stuff in my bathroom, and it's definitely going to be a hassle to do all this, so I'm just going to try to walk you guys through this process as best as I can. And you would want to first start off by literally braiding your braids or braiding your hair back. I like my stuff to be neat, so if you don't really care about your stuff to look neat, then obviously you could do a slick back ponytail. I would highly recommend putting some of this on your edges so it could be slicked back with the ponytail, or you could put this on your edges if you also have braids. But I literally just braided my hair under this wig, so honestly, I'm gonna just take this wig off and then put the cap on, and then I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. You're gonna wanna braid your hair fully back in some neat braids. I like it to be neat, literally. Okay, so I braided my hair. I got the wig cap on, and I'm just literally gonna, oh my God, my head is so big, y'all. Jesus Christ, my head is big.
When it came to that wig cap, it was not working for me, so I switched to a wig cap that definitely would fit my skin complexion a little bit more, and that would fit, you know, because like I said, my head is big, y'all. But anyways, you just want to put the wig cap on, and you want to make sure that it is covering both of your ears. Literally, with this process, one thing you do to one side, you're literally going to do it to the other side. It's that easy. So you're going to want to take the Got To Be Glue Free Spray and take it around your hairline. Literally just spray it around there. And then after that, you're going to want to make sure you rub it in a little bit. But literally, you're going to blow dry your hair. And then repeat it a good like 2 to 3 steps. But I would spray mine in the back a little bit too. And also just, take my time with it because the blow drying process is a bit long. Then I'll proceed to cut the air part out, so basically it can fit to my liking, and then I'll just repeat the whole free spray steps like a good 2 or 3 times, so it could definitely stick to my liking. Okay, so here's the fun part. You're gonna want to start off by cutting your lace upwards through the middle, and then you're gonna want to cut one side and literally cut the other side to your ear, honestly.
And I hope you guys obviously see that I still didn't cut this remaining part off yet. I like to do that when I'm literally almost done with the final process. So because I really want for this side to literally stick on, so I can make sure I have, you see how far I cut that? I don't really like how far I be cutting that because I be trying to protect my edges. Oh my God, I feel like I should take these lashes off. But now, the next step is
to use the styling gel, and I literally just took a small portion of it and rubbed it upwards, and I just rubbed that around my whole entire hairline. And after that, I blow dried it. It's basically the same process that you use with the freeze spray onto the, styling gel. It's not that hard at all, guys. I'm trying to tell you, this is definitely beginner friendly, okay? Now that everything is blow dried, you're going to want to put the wig on just to basically see how you're going to want to apply it. So once you do that step, put the Tru Bond onto your hairline. Literally everything is about your hairline, honestly. So boom, you apply this now downwards just a little bit, and literally y'all, the rest is history. But when you blow dry, this is going to clear up, so it's very easy to tell when it is dry. And then you're going to boom, put that wig on, and after that you're going to blow dry it, but you're going to put it in a cool setting, not a hot setting, because it's not going to really work that well. But boom, apply that, blow dry it to this wig, and after that, you will have a wig, okay?
I literally didn't show you guys the part where I cut the lace and everything, because that took a long time. And I think this was the type of wig, because like I said, this is like my 4th time installing the wig. So I think this was the wig where you have like the cute sideburns, and I really wanted them, but I didn't know how to do it. So I was like, whatever, I'll just do my little swoopy little thing. So I did my edges. I'm waiting on them to dry, and then I'll flat iron all of this and just, you know, pluck it and get it to hopefully, you know, a look that I like, you know. So I'll show you guys the finishing results. And once again, I apologize that I did not show you guys me cutting the lace, but y'all, I was struggling, okay? I was really struggling, and we don't need to see all that, okay? We don't need to see me getting frustrated, almost crying, and you know, we don't need to see that. So with that being said, I'm gonna get back to it. And yeah, but y'all, like I literally said, this process is so easy, honestly. Braid your hair back, put the wig cap on. Both of your got to be glues. Get your little Tru Bond or any glue to, you know, hold it down. Have it blow dry, all that, and literally that's that. So yeah, if I could do it, you could do it, okay? So I'm just ready for the finishing results, but I'll be back, okay?
Catch a broke bitch throwing that shade, put the fire in her face. Now I caught a bitch sunny. Nah, these hoes ain't getting no money. My bitches come through.